Which scientist discovered gravity when he saw an apple fall from a tree? A. Isaac Newton. B. Albert Einstein. C. Galileo Galilei. The correct answer is Isaac Newton. Newton also invented calculus and built the first reflecting telescope. What a busy guy. Who was the first woman to win a Nobel Prize? A. Marie Curie. B. Jane Goodall. C. Rosalind Franklin. The correct answer is Marie Curie. Marie Curie actually won 2 Nobel Prizes. One in physics and one in chemistry. No one else has done that in 2 different sciences. Which scientist came up with the famous equation E equals mx squared? A. Albert Einstein. B. Stephen Hawking. C. Nikola Tesla. The correct answer is Albert Einstein. Einstein didn't speak full sentences until he was almost 4 years old. Yet he became the most famous scientist in history. Which inventor is famous for creating the light bulb? A. Thomas Edison. B. Alexander Graham Bell. C. Benjamin Franklin. The correct answer is Thomas Edison. Edison tried over 1,000 different materials before finding the right one for the light bulb. He never gave up. Who is known for studying chimpanzees in the wild for over 60 years? A. Jane Goodall. B. Rachel Carson. C. Barbara McClintock. The correct answer is Jane Goodall. Jane Goodall discovered that chimpanzees use tools, like sticks, to get termites. Before that, humans thought only people used tools. Which scientist first proved that Earth moves around the Sun? A. Nicolaus Copernicus. B. Galileo Galilei. C. Edwin Hubble. The correct answer is Nicolaus Copernicus. Before Copernicus, most people believed the sun went around the Earth. He flipped the whole idea upside down. Which famous scientist used a telescope to study the moons of Jupiter? A. Galileo Galilei. B. Isaac Newton. C. Carl Sagan. The correct answer is Galileo Galilei. Galileo discovered 4 of Jupiter's moons in 1610, and they are still called the Galilean moons in his honor. Who invented the telephone? A. Alexander Graham Bell. B. Thomas Edison. C. Nikola Tesla. The correct answer is Alexander Graham Bell. Bell's very first phone call was to his assistant in the next room. He said, "Mr. Watson, come here. I want to see you." Single quote. Which scientist developed the theory of evolution by natural selection? A. Charles Darwin. B. Louis Pasteur. C. Gregor Mendel. The correct answer is Charles Darwin. Darwin spent 5 years sailing around the world on a ship called HMS Beagle, collecting animals and plants along the way. Which scientist discovered penicillin, the world's first antibiotic? A. Alexander Fleming. B. Louis Pasteur. C. Joseph Lister. The correct answer is Alexander Fleming. Fleming found penicillin by accident. He noticed a mold on a forgotten petri dish was killing bacteria. Always keep your eyes open. Who was the first person to walk on the moon? A. Neil Armstrong. B. Buzz Aldrin. C. Yuri Gagarin. The correct answer is Neil Armstrong. When Neil Armstrong stepped onto the moon in 1969, he said, "One small step for man. One giant leap for mankind." Words heard by millions. Which scientist is famous for explaining how black holes work? A. Stephen Hawking. B. Carl Sagan. C. Neil deGrasse Tyson. The correct answer is Stephen Hawking. Stephen Hawking wrote a book called A Brief History of Time that helped millions of kids and adults understand the universe. Which engineer and inventor is known for creating alternating current, AC, electricity? A. Nikola Tesla. B. Thomas Edison. C. Benjamin Franklin. The correct answer is Nikola Tesla. Tesla could memorize entire books and speak 8 languages. His brain was just as electric as his inventions.